Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to find someone on Instagram by phone number. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. Now open Play Store, search for Instagram app and update Instagram application. And after updating, close Play Store. Now open updated Instagram. Now click on profile icon in the right bottom corner. Click the three lines in the right corner. Tap on settings. Tap on account. Tap on contact syncing. Now turn on connect contacts. Go back and close Instagram application. Open Instagram app again. Now refresh your Instagram app. Click here, the account. Click on see all. Anyone from your contact list who has created an Instagram account will appear here. If the person you want to see in the list is not here, it means that he has not linked his phone number to his Instagram account. So this is the way how to find someone on Instagram by phone number. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.